Hi, this is a short video showing you how you can install Transformation Advisor into a non-default namespace on ICP. First, we create your own namespace to install into from the menu. Go to Manage Namespaces, menu option, and then select Create Namespace. Namespaces are intended to use in environments with many users spread across multiple teams or projects. So you enter a unique name and then select the pod security policy you wish to apply. Beginning with IBM Cloud Private version 3.1.1, pod security policies provide a way to control the security level of the pods and containers in your cluster. The pod security policy that is applied to the namespace on a cluster is a default security setting for any new pod that is created in that namespace. We are selecting IBM NEUID PSP, which allows pods to run with any user ID and group ID, but prevents access to the host. Having selected the pod security policy, we hit the Create button and our new namespace is created. Next, we need to create a secret for this namespace. So we go back to the main menu and to Configuration and Secrets. Before we hit the Create button, we need to generate some base64 encoded strings. So we open up a terminal on the ICP server and enter the command shown. We then copy the generated string into our clipboard and use it to paste into the value field in the next step. Go back to the secret screen and hit Create. In the secret, enter a unique name, which will be asked for later in the Helm installation step. For the namespace, select the name of the namespace we just created. Then go to the Data tab. Add two entries with names secret and DB username respectively. Paste in the encoded string as the value in both. And then create your secret. We're now ready to install the TA 1.9 Helm chart. So navigate to the catalog and filter for IBM charts and IBM Cloud Packs, and you should see Transformation Advisor Helm chart. Select this and you'll be presented with a README with instructions on how to install. Go and hit the Configure button and you will see a screen with some values that you need to fill in. Fill in a release name. This can be any string as long as it's lowercase. You need to select the namespace, so select the namespace that we've just created. You should read the license agreement, and if you agree with it, tick the accept box. Then if you scroll down, you'll see some parameters that need to be filled in before you can install the chart. There's a quick start section, and these are the parameters that are mandatory that you must fill in. So if you expand that twisty and fill in the edge node. So the edge node IP must be specified. And this is the IP where you log into ICP. It's usually an edge server in the front of ICP, one of the ICP master nodes, or a load balancer. We also need to enter the secret name, which we created in the previous step. Then we hit install and wait as the Helm chart is installed. So the installation has started, so we can view the progress by going to the Helm release page. And we can see here that it's installed, but not all pods are up. So the UI pod is still showing that's not available. So if we refresh the page, and this may take up to a minute or two, and now we can see all pods are available. So if we go to the main menu, we go down to Tools, and we should see Transformation Advisor. And this is TA 1.9 that we've just installed, and we can launch it and see it working. Thank you for your time.